In this video I'm going to show you how to sign out of your YouTube account on your iPhone. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your YouTube application and then tap on your profile icon right here at the top right on the screen. Then select your account. Just tap on your account name right here at the top. There I see that I am signed in 4 different accounts, and here at the bottom I see 3 different options as add account, use YouTube sign out, and manage account on this device. And I select the second option, use YouTube signed out, to sign out from that account. I will sign out from account that marked with that check mark. And let's see how it works. I tap here and now I am using YouTube sign out. That is how it works, and I hope it was helpful for you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.